In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $235,150 in commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business and how you can create an affiliate account like this one and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free and just by using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads and without any website. Okay, this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys, and let's get started. Okay, as you can see over here in my balance, I have $10,125 in my balance available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and for this commission, this is my lifetime commission. Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, it's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, just click on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to Google, okay, and search for Pinterest. Okay, so we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Let me show you. This will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open a business account. Okay, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, after you finish, so first, why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest? Let me show you. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? And millions of people are searching on Pinterest and using Pinterest to search for specific products, services, and so much more. Okay, and you can get so much traffic. 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a really big number. Okay, so anyways, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google, you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, we need to see what's trending first before we promote any products or services. We need to see what's trending. Okay, search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link like this. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here of Pinterest trend. Okay, you can click over here on this for example country and you can choose which country you want to target. Okay, let's say for example you want to target audience from Canada. You can choose Canada. You want United States, choose United States, and so on. Okay, I will choose just United States. I will scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you have here discover trends in United States. Okay, so what you will do, you will scroll down and you have over here filters. Okay, scroll down, click over here on interests. Okay, and scroll down and choose, let me see, you can choose any keyword that you want to use. Okay, let's use health. Okay, I will click on this keyword. Okay, and here you go. Pinterest trend will give you the keywords that are trending. Okay, what people are searching for. the keyword that people are using to search for specific services or products on Pinterest. Okay, you will scroll down. Let's see if we can find like this one, food. We have green foods, bigger legs workout, summer workout. This one looking it's going up. Okay, let's check this one, summer workout. Okay, just click on the keyword that you want to target. Okay, and scroll down, click over here on date, select the paste 3 month. Okay, and this one looking really good. Okay, summer workouts. People are searching for this keyword on Pinterest and it's trending, as you can see. Okay, this keyword is trending. So what you will do, you will go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for workout plan. Okay, search for workout plan. Okay, we will search for those services that are related to this keyword, summer workout. Okay, those services will be related to this keyword that people are using to search for those services on Pinterest. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. So search for workout plan, scroll down. You need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose a good seller. So for example, I will send you my workout and special diet plan. This one is really looking good. Okay, this one has 5 star, a lot of reviews. Okay, this one also looking good. I will be your fitness coach and create professional workouts. So what I will do, I will choose this one. Okay, this one looking good. I will click on this service. You will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. Okay, what you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. Okay, and click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest account, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page and click over here and you should find this is his picture. You can use his picture or you can use video. Okay, if you can all see, it's better to use video. Click on the video.
Hi guys, and welcome to my gig.
What you will do, you will double click and you will click on save video. Okay, video will convert better than pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna name it, for example, workout, save. Okay, go to Pinterest, click over here on choose, click over here on choose file and upload your video. Okay,
Hi guys, and welcome to my gig.
Open, and your video will be uploaded to your Pinterest account. You need title, description. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. Okay, you are an affiliate marketer, you can copy his information. That's what I do. Go back to your Pinterest account and put your title here, description. Go back to the seller profile page. You should see about this gig. Copy this description. I will copy this one. I will copy this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Okay, it's super easy. Click on choose a board. So if you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, it's super easy. You will choose, for example, this one, and scroll down. You need to put tags, okay, keywords. Go back to the seller profile page, keep scrolling down, just scroll down, go to related tags, and copy those keywords, okay, like this. Go to Pinterest, put those keywords here, okay, and copy. You should use those keywords, they are very important, okay. And for people who have new accounts, you should start using those keywords, okay. You can also go to Pinterest trend, okay, and you can also copy those keywords, okay. You will copy, for example, this one, summer workout, and they will put this keyword here, like this. Go back to Pinterest trend and copy those keywords, okay. Just copy those keywords, super easy, and go to Pinterest, put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, okay, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest, okay. And here you go, your affiliate link is published.
Hi guys, and welcome to my gig.
And your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest like this, okay. This is your video explaining your service. This is your title, and this is your affiliate link, okay. If you scroll down, this is your description, and that's it. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, okay. And that's how you can find a profitable services that will earn you a lot of commission, okay. If you are using Pinterest trend, if you are doing keyword research, see what's trending on Pinterest, you follow trends, you follow services that are trending, you can make so much money with this method, okay. And you should stay consistent. And if you have new Pinterest accounts, make sure to promote just between 2 and 3 affiliate links per day, so your account will not get banned, okay. If you have new account and you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will be banned, okay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check my other videos. I show you how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Quora, and so much more. Check my YouTube channel. I share all those methods for free, so you can start your affiliate marketing business without investing any money, just by using free traffic, okay. See you in my next video.